Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of solar batteries with Enphase. They offer 3 different models, each embedded with their renowned microinverters. Let's see if these batteries are the right fit for your home. Enphase's battery lineup includes the IQ Battery 3, IQ Battery 10, and their latest addition, the IQ Battery 5P. This new battery is smaller yet more powerful, packing a punch that rivals larger batteries at half the capacity size. The IQ Battery 5P is a game-changer, allowing you to power up power-hungry appliances with just 1 or 2 batteries. Its compact size offers flexibility in installation while delivering impressive performance. Enphase's batteries are designed for easy installation in bundles, creating a modular storage system where capacity and power output stack with each battery installed. This makes it convenient to customize the perfect capacity for your home. Currently, the IQ Battery 5P is available for pre-orders and will be shipping later this year. So, if you're interested in this powerful yet compact battery, keep an eye out for its release. Enphase's battery system includes an IQ system controller, which connects the battery to the grid and serves as a centralized place for wiring. It also includes an IQ combiner component for monitoring energy production and consumption if you have solar panels. While Enphase batteries may be smaller, the IQ Battery 5P stands out with its impressive peak power output rating, rivaling larger batteries. Additional installations can increase power output, making it suitable for homes with large appliances. Enphase batteries offer about average efficiency compared to other batteries on the market. The IQ Battery 5P has a slightly higher round-trip efficiency of 90%, minimizing wasted electricity during storage. Enphase provides standard warranties for its batteries, with the IQ 5P offering a bonus of a 15-year warranty. However, the end-of-warranty capacity guarantee is slightly lower, so be sure to check the fine print. Enphase's customer support has received mixed reviews, with some complaints about failing microinverters and battery systems. It's essential to consider this aspect when making your decision. When you install an Enphase battery, you gain access to the Enphase Enlighten app for monitoring energy consumption and production. It provides all the essential features you need for tracking your system's performance. Enphase's battery prices range from $2,000 to $10,000, depending on the model and capacity. It's always best to get quotes from Enphase certified installers in your area for the most accurate pricing. To sum it up, Enphase batteries offer a range of options, with the IQ Battery 5P being the star of the show, providing impressive power in a smaller package. However, it's essential to evaluate your home's energy needs and compare different batteries before making a decision. Thanks for joining us on this review of Enphase batteries. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech analyses. Stay informed with our latest product reviews. Let us know your thoughts on Enphase batteries in the comments below. We'll see you next time on Product Critique.